Hi, have you ever been in an accident? If so, then this is probably not going to help you.
Here's a keychain Balisong got from Wild Bill's Wholesale. I wanted either black or blue, and I ended up with this green one. Comes with this type of closure here. And didn't close correctly, so I put a double-sided stick tape on right here, and so that it would give some pressure because there's no tang pin on the top part. There is a tang pin on the bottom, and it closes nicely. Well, I can get that to close. It flips pretty fun for times to, waiting in line, just doing whatever, and it is 1.9 inches, so completely legal. Oh, there's a little bit of a stick. There we go. Oh, it sticks still. I haven't been really playing around with this, but it's a fun little toy. Well, billswholesale.com is where I got it from, and for about $2.50.
And that is how I save 15% on my car insurance.